gang? What is up to my gang? What is up to my squad? You've always been here with me. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing the mystery bag backwards slime challenge. So let's get into this video. Okay, so in order to do this challenge, I have oh my god, something to sell out. What is that? Okay, put this back in the bag. Okay, in order to do this challenge, I will be closing my eyes, picking randomly from this bag. 10 items will be chosen from this item, if there even is 10 items in here. My mom did pack this, and I don't know what's in it, so let's go ahead and get started. Yes, I have some grapes over here. Some grapes. Whoa. Activator. Let's get started. Because that's one of the main things you need to make your slime. Look at that. Pretty. Okay. Use sequins. Blue and purple. That's good. Add in. Yeah. I don't have one more grape. That's from just fell again. God, I'm gonna shut the door because it's crazy out there. It's very cold also. Sorry for the lighting, but it's cold out there, so anyway. Okay. So I'll put the item back in the bag. Okay, fourth item. I felt it. It was like round. Oh my god, yes! I got some paint. Another little add-in. Some neon. Glow. Fifth item. Before I do this, I hope you guys know to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And also, I just need some, sorry for the talking in the background, but I just need some glue. So, oh no, I don't want that one. What is this? Oh, Mexico. And yes, I do have to read, have a note that I'll say a twist. So yeah. Oh, let's pick one more. Wow. I'm gonna try to spell something later about this one. White glue! Oh my god. White glue! Ooh. 4 ounces, yes. This was at the Dollar Tree, Walmart. Whatever you want to get. So let's go for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th item. Oh my god, I just dropped something. Oh my goodness, pretty glitter. Oh my gosh. It's not a nail polish, it actually just had glitter. Oh my god, so pretty. Another item. Let's go to the 8th item. What is this? I'm gonna take this. What is this? Aw, it's a little princess. And this was from my Mushies video. But it wasn't on my channel, it was on my cousin's. And yeah, this is one that I got. So I guess my mom just put this in here. Okay. So I'm gonna pick the rest of my items. Oh my god, guys. I thought I saw like a other hand. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's crunchy. Let's take it. Yes! Foil! Colorful party foil. I'm so happy. Guys, it just spilled everywhere. What the heck? Let's go back down there. Okay, there we go. So I just got the party foil. I'm so happy I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's get to the 10th item. I'm like so scared. Okay. I'm gonna fix this one because it feels like another nail polish. Hopefully it is not nail polish. A gold glitter. Oh my god, yes. And yes, I do have to add everything that I got into this. And this is pretty good. And let me show you the leftovers. Oh my gosh, Kool-Aid. A marker lipstick. Oh my god. Expo marker. Oh no. Okay, so now I'm just gonna hit a twist. Mama! Twist! Wait. She says that she's gonna write it on a paper. Okay, here's a pen. If you need it. Okay, here. Okay, so.
That water's $10 between 4 packets. Murfreesboro Sam's. That water that you drink,
Okay.
$10.
Mom, give me it! Okay, please?
$4.
Okay, let me hold it. Okay. We got the letter to open it. No spoon. What? No spoon! No spoon! What am I gonna do with no spoon? Ah! Okay, let's get started.
You tell me that's $4.
Okay, so let's get started. Oh my god. Guys, you know what I just realized? I don't have a container. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I just realized I don't have a dang spoon. Yes, my teeth are yellow. I need to brush my teeth tonight. Very good. And if you guys want to see a roast battle between me and myself, then just me, myself, and I, then make sure to comment. I'm going to be back when this glue is out. Okay. So now it's time for me. Guys, I just remembered. Oh my god, now I'm doing the backwards. Oh god, I'm going to give you another bow. Okay. So I just put the glue to the side. And another bowl. So let's add the toy. And I'm like so scared because I don't know how much to add. But we're just gonna add it. I'm just gonna add a lid full. And a little bit more than a lid full because last time I made slime with this and I did a lid full and that still wasn't enough and my battery is on 15, so I need to hurry. So next I would probably add sequins. No, glitter. I have to add both. I'd probably add some glitter. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Next time, I need to hurry. Oh my god, I didn't think it was coming out that fast. Oh my god, I don't have a bowl. Next, I would add this after the glitter because I would just make it. Okay, just add a teeny bit. Okay, that's enough. Guys, I'm so scared. Okay, now I gotta add the girl. Oh my god, ew. Oh, so now I just added the little baby girl. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna add the sequins, which I'm gonna do. Oh, purple and oh my goodness, it's on my finger. I'm gonna do some purple. Ooh. Okay, those are the whole pack of it. Okay, so now we're gonna add the party foil. This is like so many add-ins. I've never added this many add-ins to my slime before, so I'm not gonna add too much party foil because I do not want it to be like too colorful. It's kind of just like plain.
You can't make up another story.
Okay, so I wish it was more quieter in here, but it's not, guys. So sorry.
I didn't know it was wrong. I done it. I won't do it again.
Oh my god. So like she's talking about someone that's gonna go to jail. So like sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Guys, okay, look. Ah! Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Okay, yeah. This is what it looks like. It's like this. And here's the little girl. She's like suffering. She's drowning. So there you go. This is like so like. Ugh. So this is not even turned into a really good color. So I am gonna add some more color because this was the. Oh my god! Oh no, I'm not allowed to add more. So let me just mix it. Oh, I made a little bit prettier blue. Okay, the girl's suffering. Okay, where's the blue? Okay, here it is. Okay, let's add the glue. Come on, glue, get out. I need a lot of you.
Well, he's gone.
Oh, ew.
He's gone to prison. Now he's going to tell him that it was an accident. She was running away from her mom towards the creek, and he grabbed her and accidentally touched her. I said, Jim, you can't do that. You're telling them two different stories. I said, you're going
So, I don't know if this is enough.
He's gone.
Oh my god, guys. This is so weird. I don't want this stupid princess in here. Okay, so this is so ugly. I do not like it. This is ugly, guys. Like, can you please tell me what this is? Can anyone please tell me what this is? Oh my god. I want this to turn out because it is a pretty slime, but it's not going to turn out, I don't think. Guys, look at this. What is this? It's like, oh my god, like there's so much activator left over. Okay, I'm just going to mix it and it's going to take forever. Okay, ew. So this is basically my slime. Yes, I mixed it for about 5 minutes. I just paused the video. But yeah, and yeah, so and this is my slime, and it is turning to come back a little bit more. So I'm just gonna keep mixing it, and I'll get back to you guys. And so here's the final product. It's really pretty actually. It has some party confetti and it has some sequins and a little bit of gold glitter and also that really pretty pink one and a really little too. And it's still a little bit sticky as you can tell. But yes, I did have to clean up my area with some water, so water did get in it. But yeah. Ooh. Look how crunchy it is. My friend was like trying to make some crunch noises and she thought it was called crunchies. And it was like so funny. Like she was talking about the cereal. If you guys do not know where I live, I'm actually live in Tennessee. Ew. But so yeah, and this one is really pretty. I just love it to death and I wish I could never stop playing it, but eventually I have to. Oh, kind of a big one. Not really big though. And if you guys want to see me do a Who Made That Slime challenge, then make sure to comment. And I do really like to do these videos for you guys because I do have a lot of fun with them, and I also do really want to try to save up some money for a camera for Christmas or maybe even for my birthday, because I really do want a vlogging camera so I don't have to use my phone. So like whenever you guys watch my videos, the phone will not have a little screen whenever you try to make it big screen. So hopefully I can fix that, but I am going to try to make my channel a little bit more popular by uploading more videos and making it better. Just trying to do my best in all the videos and making sure that everything's good. This actually does kind of look like white, but it's actually light blue in person. Party glitter fun poppy slime. If you guys want to see me make the Poppy the Troll slime, make sure to comment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And like I said at the beginning, make sure to like it and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye!